Hi all, Wilson and Eliza is going to play noughts and crosses with us today. There's a little bit of movement involved. It's indoors, so it's nothing too drastic. And what they've got is they've used paper plates, and we've drawn either a nought or a cross on the bottom of the plate. And traditional game, what you're going to do is you're going to play noughts and crosses. Now what we've done is set up a grid of 9 using the pillows, and as we all know how to play it. Okay, so Wilson, off you go. Pick up your first zero, nought, and you're going to place it on a cushion. Which one? Excellent. Now go sit back. Now Eliza, you're going to go next.
I'm going to go in the middle.
X, well done. Okay, Wilson with another nought now. Which one are you going to bring? Bring a nought. Quickly. Oh, he's going there. Okay. Okay, Eliza next. Oh, she's blocked it. Wilson, bring a nought.
Oh.
Where's he gonna go? Where's he gonna go? Where's he gonna go? He's put it there. Okay. Okay, off you go, Liz.
What I'm doing, girl. Line.
Well done.
No.
Eliza's managed to get a line. Okay. Well done, guys. Wave.